If you want to improve your mood and emotions, it must start by improving your gut health. And improving your gut health happens with healthy food alternatives along with food-grade essential oils. In this video, I'll show you how to make these gluten-free ginger cookies. I've switched out the grain flours for almond flour, and I'm using monk fruit allulose sweetener. This is no calorie and low glycemic, and it has no erythritol in it, which is really harsh on your gut. Plus, I'm using ginger essential oil, such great flavor. And ginger is so good for digestion as well as gut health. These cookies are so simple to make. They're super tasty, and your gut and emotions will love this choice.